to start off, it will be a two-in-one video, so it will be a deep conditioner and a DIY shampoo. I'll be using that deep conditioner from a Brazilian store. Then I'll be adding some castor oil to it. And you'll also need like a bowl to mix it in, and of course your applicator brush. So I'm just using a measuring spoon, and I'm just taking out. I think I used 6 spoons of the conditioner that I got from a Brazilian store. So if you have like an international market, you could check and see if they have that deep conditioner in their aisle. It's a very good deep conditioner. I would recommend it every time I use it in my hair. My hair feels like heaven. Honestly, like so. It detangles my hair well. It's just a good product. Um, so far to me. Drop a comment down below if you're here for this 2-in-1. If you're excited for that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any upload. I try to upload 3 times a week, so come on here. So now that both products are in the mixing bowl, you're now going to mix it around until you know everything comes together. Then after that, now it's time for the exciting part, to apply it to your hair. Sit on it to dry if you have one. If you don't, cover it with a plastic cap and sit for an hour or 30 minutes, whichever you prefer. So yeah, and I'll leave all the ingredients down in the description box. Make sure you check them out if you want to purchase anything you see me mention in my videos.
Feel my heart, it's beat tight. Oh, my body's breathing. It's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beat tight. Oh, my body's breathing.
Moving on to the shampoo, guys. Of course, you need your bowl to mix it in, and of course, ARITHA. I'll be using ARITHA. I'll tell you the benefits of it next. And this is Ayurvedic herb, and it's very good actually. And now I'm going in with Shikakai. I will be using Shikakai Ayurvedic herb as well. I actually got all of the Ayurvedic herbs, guys. They're so good to incorporate into your DIY, whether it's shampoo, deep conditioner, mist, just about anything, oils. It's so good to incorporate, and of course you'll definitely see more videos of me incorporating all of these herbs in my product. Like earlier, I used castor oil in my deep conditioner. If you have sensitive scalp, this is a great shampoo for you. ARITHA relieves dry scalp and dandruff, boosts hair growth. It's great to clarify your hair. It's a great cleanser. It lathers a little, not to my liking though, and it boosts bounciness. If I should ever use, which I'm gonna definitely use it until it's finished. I love it anyway, but I love when my products lather more. So I will definitely add another soap like black soap or castor soap in it that I love, that I know will make it latter, and I'll still be getting my benefits. So stay tuned if you are here rooting for these DIYs, guys. However, you want to remember to store them in your fridge or make as much for one wash. And you'll be good. Otherwise, you'll have to add preservative, which will be in the future. I'll be showing you guys how to work with preservatives, etc. I got a surprise one for you guys, but I won't tell anybody else yet. So if you're OG, you know. On to Shikakai. It's a great detangler. It's good to soften your hair, good for hair shine, hair growth, to cleanse your hair, and it's awesome for dandruff. So for all my people dandruff, you see so much benefits from these herbs. Make sure you utilize them.
Then it's just you and me. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call.
just going to add the water and mix everything together. I'm using the end of our hair comb, and then I'll be adding some more after I mix swirl this around. And then when you guys can't see properly right now, but you see all the bubbles in it. That's the lacquer, but I need more lacquer. I love the lacquer of my black soap. If you missed that video, I will link it up in the iCard as well as in the description box. So make sure you check it out.
I'm so caught in this, was so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free.
So this is the finished product. I'm loving the look of my shampoo, and as you can see, I have it in an applicator bottle already, ready to be applied. So the next step now is to go into the bathroom and apply it to all of my hair. I'll let you know my final thoughts. So guys, as you can see, I'm applying the shampoo to my hair, and you can see the latte. As I said, it latte, but I prefer more latte, if you get what I'm saying. You guys that love latte will know what I'm talking about. Of course, it didn't have any slip, so yeah, I loved it. Honestly, I loved it because it reminds me of when I use bentonite clay or Russell clay on my hair. My hair feels extra clean, like it feels so clean. I kid you not. It really feels better than a store-bought shampoo. My hair feels nice, and it was also very soft, very detangled, like the comb could run through it. When I'm telling you guys all these good stuff about these products, I kid you not. As you can see, I'm doing it live on camera. I'm trying out these products, so I'm not on here faking it with you guys. So yeah, they work and they make your hair feel so good, make it stronger, and promote your growth.